Hello and welcome. My name is Patrick Lange. I'm with Mobile Marketing Solutions, and this is our content management system, our CMS system software for mobile marketing solutions. Let me show you the simplicity with which you can create your own mobile website for your business or other businesses. So let's begin. Initially, when you make the purchase, you're going to receive a link to this page, your sign-in page, based on your email and the password that we send you initially. Now, once you get into the system, we'll show you where you can change the password to some user-friendly password or one of your choice. So let's go ahead and log in. Now, once you log in, it takes you to your back office interface, and we'll go over some of these tabs here. And what you'll see is a mock-up of a cell phone there on the right part of the screen here. And as you make changes or add to your mobile website, it will show you what it looks like in real time. But let's go up here at the top of the page and let's go over some of the tabs quickly. Um, Here is your billing page. This is nothing that you need to change or be concerned about. You've already made your purchase. You'll already understand what the monthly charge is or what your design fee is up front. You've already gone through that. You've already made your payment. This is your account. Now, this takes you into all the information you initially inputted, and I just did a demo site here with a demo number. Now, your website, this for demo purposes, I called mobile demo dot mobile marketing solutions dot mobi. Now, whatever it is you change that to, whatever your internet site is or whatever your business name is, this is where you can change it if you deem necessary. Now, you can't, you shouldn't, don't want to change it on a monthly basis, but if you have a change down the road, you can do it here. Very, very simply. Your email address, this is where you can change your password, and then of course you hit save, and it'll save that information. Support, support is where you'll have my actual phone number. Again, this is a demo phone number, and my actual email address, this is one of them. And if you have any questions, you would type it in or actually call me, and I'll help you, with any issues you may be having. So let's go back to the website. Now, there's some other tabs here. We're going to talk about appearance and page. This is what you're going to be mostly concerned about. E-commerce, you have the option to add PayPal or Google Checkout to any of your pages if you're selling anything from your mobile website. Advertising, there's a short video for a lot of these pages to show you exactly what they're talking about. And here we're talking about adding banners. You can sell banner space to your mobile website or anybody else's website. Here's a little bit of information here on setting up your SEO, your search engine optimization to your site, your website description and keywords. This tab here is the legal jargon. If you want to enter a link, you can down here at the bottom of the page. You can enter privacy text, whatever you want to add, whatever you want to say, you can say it and then save it. It'll actually have a legal page on your mobile website. The mobile redirect, if you're not aware of that, is if you have an internet site already and it's called mybusiness.com, and you're gonna make a mobile website. You're gonna call it mymobilebusiness.com, or call it the same thing. Call it mybusiness.com. What happens is you'll get a redirect code here, this HTML here on the screen. And what it is, you'll cut and paste that, and on your header on your internet site, you put this HTML code in there. And what will happen then, if someone is searching the internet via their smartphone, this code will detect that and bounce them to your mobile version versus your internet version. Now that's very important, so you want to make sure you do that. Otherwise, if someone is searching for your site and you don't have a mobile redirect, it'll take them to your site, and they'll have that problem where your actual site shows up on your smartphone, and you've got to slide it, you got to shrink it, you got to zoom it in, zoom it out to be able to read it. That defeats the purpose behind a mobile website. Mobile website is smartphone ready. You just need this mobile direct code. If you have any questions or concern, make sure you call me and let me know. But up here again, there is a short tutorial video. Analytics. Google provides a Google Analytics code that you just go to googleanalyticscode.com or googleanalytics.com, and they'll walk you through it getting a code. Once you get that code, you will actually use that code and be able to get some feedback on a daily, weekly, monthly basis on how many people are visiting your mobile site. And again, there's a short video here to walk you through that process. QR codes. So I already generated a QR code for my mobile demo mobile website. So it's already created that QR code. This is the QR code you'll use to put on your marketing material, on your emails, and tell people to scan it, and it'll take them to your mobile website. Let's go back. And you can delete it. You can direct it. If you change your URL, it's going to give you a different code. You don't want to do this too often, because once you start putting this on your marketing material, you're not going to be able to change that down the road. So let's go back to appearance. Let's start here. Now, this is the initial page where you're going to create your mobile website. It allows you to put a logo in, allows you to put a background image, allows you to do an icon, and also allows you to do an iPhone startup image. If someone has an iPhone and they found your mobile website through your QR code, there's going to be a 2 or 3 second page for iPhones only. Now, I don't normally do anything here if it's for an iPhone or an Android or a BlackBerry. It doesn't matter. There's going to be a 2 or 3 second delay. It takes them to your mobile website. If you want to add this, you're more than welcome to add that. I just don't normally concern myself with that. But let's go ahead and put in a logo. So now we browse, and this will take you into your pictures or documents or downloads here in your computer. So let's go to pictures. I've already created a demo logo. I'm going to bring that up. I'm going to open that file. Now it's already put it here. I'm going to hit save. It's going to add it to your phone over here. Watch what happens. And there it is. There's my logo I created for this demo site. Your business picture or logo goes here. You can choose whatever you want to put here. A picture of yourself, a picture of your business, whether it be a restaurant, a hair salon, a resale store, whatever you can put here. Now, background image, that you can change. You can change the color back here. I won't do that right now. An icon. And an icon is important because when people download your mobile website, on their homepage, just like all the apps that you have on your phone, you can create an app specifically for your business. It just has to be 114 pixels by 114, and it'll download onto their smartphone. So now they have your business mobile website app. I use that word interchangeably. It's a mobile website, but it's also an application. It's not a native app. I don't want to confuse you with those two terms, but there's more benefits to a mobile website than there is to an app, and you can do the research on that. But let's go ahead and download an icon. I've already created one under demo icon. Open it up. Now it's already pulled it up right here. I'm going to go ahead and save it. And here's what's going to show up on your smartphone screen is that that demo app. All right. Now let's go ahead slow down here. You can do icons on your home screen. It can look like this. It can look like a bunch of different icons, or you can do what's called tabs. I like the tabs look more than I do the icon look, but you can switch back and forth just by hitting this button, tabs or icon, and to see what version you like best. Ask you down here some default information about language or currency, the background color. Um, let's go ahead over here and change the background color. See, I believe it's currently white, but let's go ahead and change it to red. Now down here you can write whatever you want. This is a what you see is what you get type widget. You've seen these before. Now I can type in here, hello and welcome to our mobile web site. And you can change that size of that font by coming up here, font family. You can change the Comic Sans, and you can go to font size, 18. You can center that. Over here, you can create a link. Here, you can put in some HTML code if you want. Here is you can insert an image. So let's just go back. It's going to ask you to upload an image here. Gives a couple seconds for it to. I'll choose files. And go back to my pictures area here. Let's scan down. And let's go ahead and choose that image there. It says upload to server. You want to upload to server. What it's doing is it's bringing it to this server here. You double tap on it. There's that image. Now it did wipe out by accident, our text. You want to go back up here and say hello and welcome. So you have the ability to do that. Center it left or right. There's a lot of things. You just have to go over a lot of these icons to familiarize yourself with them. Okay, we go to the bottom of the page. We hit save. And here's that red we were talking about, that red background. Here is our verbiage, and here is our image. But let's go ahead and go back. Let's change this back to white. Show you how easy it is to adapt and change. Let's go ahead and delete this image. You just highlight that box, hit delete on your computer. Go back down here, save. Your mock-up phone will go ahead and change. Now here you see it. We have it on the tabs version. This is what it will look like. You hit the tab. This are directions on how to save it to your home screen. Okay. Now if we went back to the icon look and go back down here and save, shows you how it flipped back to the icon. So as we add pages, you'll see that it does make a difference on the look. And again, here are the icons that people would tap onto. All right. Now, this software only allows me to record 15 minutes at a time. So I'm already at 14 minutes and 39 seconds. So we're going to have to call this part 1, and then we'll go to part 2. So you'll have 2 links then on the email that I send you, and this is the end of part 1. Thank you.